This is a little introduction for how to use the Sphero EDU app and how to connect to and use the Sphero. So I have the iPad here, and you can see, oh, maybe not, down here along the bottom of the screen, here's the Sphero EDU app, way down over on this side. I'm going to click on that. And then on this page, I'm going to click Sign In. You all will have a username. From here, you will click, sorry, it's a little hard doing this. You will click way at the very bottom, the sign in at the very, this is a brief tutorial for how to use the Sphero EDU app and how to connect to your Sphero robot. So once you're in the Sphero EDU app, you're going to, down at the very bottom here, where it says sign in at the very bottom, you're going to click on that, and you're going to get to this screen. On this screen, you're going to enter the username and password that I have given you. Once you're in, you're going to be on a screen like this, and you're going to go down where it says Drive, and click Drive. It'll say looking for robots and then come to this screen. I can tell that my robot is the one that has the most blue bars. In this case, there's only one that has any blue bars. So this is the robot that's close to my device. So I'm going to click on that one. And now I know it's connected because it lit up with the blue. On this screen, I will be able to drive, change the color, and change the speed. And this is just kind of a remote control option for the Sphero. So with this, I can drive it. This, I can change the color. This middle one, if you can see it, that little line in the middle, you can change the speed. And down here in the corner is where I can click on aim. If I click on aim, I can see this blue dot that will show up in the back of the Sphero robot. So I know wherever that blue light is will be the back side of the robot. So I'm going to demonstrate now how I can aim it. So I can turn it by turning the circle, and wherever I want it to aim, I make that blue light go to the back side of the robot. The last two things I want to show you right now are how to disconnect from the robot when you're done, and how to sign out of the Sphero app. So to disconnect from the robot, see, I can see my robot is still connected. So now I'm going to go to Home. I click on Home down here, and then I'm going to click on Feed up at the top. I see my robot number right up here at the top. I'm going to click on that. Over here I have options to turn off or sleep robot. I'm going to sleep robot. I want to just put the robot to sleep. So now I know my robot is not connected because the light went out and it says connect robot at the top instead of the robot number. And then to sign out, I'm going to go up here and click on profile, and there I see my name and my information, and I just click sign out. Confirm. And I'm signed out. And then I can just close my iPad and be done.